Hi, it's Matt here from thatleisureshop.com. Today we are looking at the Brunner Solar PHF Shower. Now this is a pretty cool shower. If you're on the move, you fill the black bag with water, screw your shower fitting onto the bag, before you fill it with water I should say, has a tap. There is a pole that slides in the top of the bag, like so. Comes with a handy cable and hook so you can hang it, like so. Fill the bag with water, put the bung on, and if you leave it in the sun for 3 hours, if it's in direct sunlight and the sun is intense enough, it says on the box that it will go up to 42 degrees. That's actually a hot shower. So we've been outside, we've got one outside full of water. It's been out there now for a good 3 hours, and we're going to see how hot it really is. Join me and let's see if it works. So here we are outside. This bag has been full of water for a good few hours now in the sun. British sort of early summertime. It's not very warm today, but it's been very sunny. It's worth noting it does say on the bag to fill it with warm water before first use and some baking soda just to kill the bacteria that's formed inside the bag. So here we go. It says off on the tap. We're going to turn it on. Let's see if it's warm. Here it comes. Oh my goodness. That is actually, I'd say that's almost hot. That's incredible. That is, I'd say that's warm enough to want to get underneath it.